Good evening, Black 8. So my name is Christian Almercazo, and today we're delving into the artistic side of Jose Rizal. The lesson 11, The Art of Rizal. Most people know Jose Rizal as a revolutionary, a writer, a doctor. But did you know, class, he was also an artist? Bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating lesson, let me ask you, sino dito mahilig gumala, mag-travel, and mag-vacation? Lahat naman siguro tayo mahilig gumala, right? Kumukuha tayo ng picture for memories and experiences. Tama po ba? Just like us, Jose Rizal drew inspiration from his travels and experiences. Hindi niya lang ito sinusulat, kundi dinodrawing niya pa ito. Imagine receiving a letter from Rizal tapos may kasama pang self-portrait. Ay grabe, ang galing, di ba? So now, let's proceed to our discussion. Rizal utilized his knowledge of the arts and its power of evoking what words cannot describe. So, dito ginagamit ni Rizal ang kanyang kaalaman sa sineng sa pag-udyok ng mga bagay na hindi kayang ilarawan ng mga salita. Imagine you have a friend who's really good at drawing or painting. They can create beautiful images that captures feelings and experiences in a way that words alone can't. Ganon din si Jose Rizal. He had a deep understanding of arts. So when Rizal wanted to share his ideas or connect with people, he didn't just rely on writing. He used his artistic talents to add another layer of meaning and emotions to his messages. This shows us that Rizal was not only a brilliant thinker and a writer, but also a creative artist. He knew how to use different forms of expressions to reach people on a deeper level. And that's what makes his work so powerful and meaningful. So, nauunawaan niyo po ba? So, if nauunawaan niyo, please like this video. So now, let's continue. Rizal was a fan of the visual arts. So, si Rizal hindi lamang isang writer. He was also a visual artist. Even as a child, he showed talent in sculpting and drawing. Noong bata pa siya, binigyan siya ng clay at ilang sandali pa ay ginawa niya itong isang tiny sculpture. If bibigyan nga si Jose Rizal ng another chance in life, he would have chosen to be an artist. But instead, he used his artistic skills to connect with people and bring joy to those around him. And now, let's talk about some of Rizal's artistic contributions. Rizal's artistic works include sketches, sculptures, cover designs, comic strips, portraits, and toys. Rizal didn't just create for himself. He shared his talents with others. Even as he traveled abroad, he would document his journeys through sketches of landscapes and portraits of people he encountered. Some example includes Rizal's last view of Manila in 1882 and sketch of Singapore Lighthouse on his first trip on May 1882 and the sketch of Aden on his first trip on May 1882. And also the sketch of along Suez Canal on his first trip on May 1882 and material used was ink or pencil. So now, the next Rizal artistic contribution is self-portraits reflecting mood and health. One of the example is a sketch of himself made in the training class in sketching. So bago pa man mauso ang selfie sa social media, ginawa na ito ni Rizal. Selfie ang tawag sa pagkuha ng solo gamit ang smartphone. Dahil wala pang gadget sa panahon ni Rizal, ang selfie ng pambansang bayani natin ay isang self-sketch ng kanyang reflection sa salamin. So the next Rizal's contributions is token of appreciations like portrait bust. Jose Rizal used his artistic talent to connect with his friends and show appreciations for their hospitality. So the some examples includes the triumph of death over life is made of terracotta clay given to Dr. Blumentritt. It resembles friends and it depicts a hooded skull figure holding the lifeless body of a woman. Rizal made this to represent the time when death to us is very inevitable. Kumbaga, ang kamatayan daw natin ay hindi natin maiiwasan. Next example is the triumph of science over death. Created by Rizal, made of terracotta clay also, and this sculpture is a gift for his friends Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. This sculpture shows a woman standing on the top of skull holding a burning torch. This skull represents death, while the torch symbolizes knowledge and enlightenment. He used this sculpture to convey the idea that with knowledge and learning, we can overcome even the darkest challenges in life. Next example is the Mother Revenge, made also in terracotta or clay, is an allegorical representations made for dapitan. So, pinapakita sa larawan ang isang inang aso na sinusubukan iligtas ang kanyang walang kalaban-laban na anak mula sa kagat ng buhaya. The mother dog symbolizes the mother Philippines, while the puppy represents the defenseless Filipino people. While the crocodile naman, it represents the cruelty of the Spanish colonizers. So, si Rizal used his artistic talents to create this sculpture as a form of protest against the injustices suffered by his fellow Filipinos. So, next Rizal artistic contributions is the artistic cover of Nolimitang Here that served as a visual teaser offering glimpses into the themes and character of the book. He used his talents to express his thoughts, feelings, and observations about society and the world around him. Next is the creations of comic strips and toys. Rizal made a comic strip for his nephews titled The Monkey and the Turtle. Lahat naman siguro tayo alam yung kwento nito, di ba? So, now let's focus on the moral story of the story The Monkey and the Turtle. So, The Monkey and the Turtle, it reminds us to not be selfish and greedy. The story teaches us that it is better to give than to receive. The monkey in the story was greedy and wanted all the bananas for himself, while the turtle was waiting para mabigyan kasi nga 'di ba hindi kaya niyang akyatin ang puno. And kaso si monkey kinain niya lahat at walang natira para sa pago. Next is the portraits of loved ones as souvenirs. Sketches of his two sweethearts, Segunda Cadigbak and Leonor Rivera. Because of his love, he dedicated his time and effort into making portraits of them. However, neither of the two will be committed to Rizal. Segunda Cadigbak was her puppy love. Unfortunately, his first love was already engaged to Manuel Luz. On the other hand naman, si Leonor Rivera, his sweetheart for 11 years, played the greatest influence in keeping him from falling in love with other women during his travels. Unfortunately, yung mama ni Leonor ay hindi sang-ayon sa pagmamahalan nila ni Rizal dahil nga si Rizal ay isang filibustero. Kung kaya tinago lahat ng mama niya yung mga sulat na Rizal na para sana kay Leonor. Dahil dito, naniniwala si Leonor na nakalimutan na siya ni Rizal kung kaya't nagpakasyal siya kay Henry Kiping, her mother's choice. Ngayon, let's focus on Rizal's artistic works. 8 paintings, 51 sketches, 46 sculptures, 2 engineering maps, 3 maps, and has the total of 110 artworks. So overall, Rizal's artistic practice highlights his passions for creativity and expression. By exploring his art, we gain a deeper understanding of Rizal as not only a historical figure, but also as a talented artist who left behind a rich legacy of visual storytelling. And that will be all. My name is Christian Almercozo, and thank you so much.